Designing with structural steel has always meant designing for the future. And this year, 6 extraordinary projects serve as the inspiring reminders that steel innovation never slows down. AISC is thrilled to present the winners of the 2026 Ideas Awards, the steel industry's highest honor recognizing thoughtful, future-focused building design. While these structures serve vastly different purposes, they are united by a common thread: the use of structural steel to solve complex modern problems with elegance and efficiency. Our first winning project, a sustainable fire station in Boulder, Colorado, proves a great example of both. By salvaging and reincorporating steel members from a deconstructed local hospital, the team behind City of Boulder Fire Rescue Station 3 minimized carbon emissions and created a first-of-its-kind model for circular construction. Their green solution earned them this year's Ideas Award for Excellence in Sustainable Design and Construction.
The engineers at KLNA have become leaders in developing the rules for deconstruction and reuse of steel through projects like this. Their methods are a model for future salvage and reuse in the U.S. The steel is visible. It celebrates the story in its construction, and the architect reduced embodied carbon by eliminating finishes that would otherwise cover it. It's designed for longevity, 100 years. Occupants can see whether the structure ever needs repair and fix it early, and its function helps preserve the surrounding community.
On the West Coast, another project team had to navigate a logistical maze while redeveloping the busiest single runway airport in the country. Their collaborative approach saved them $100 million and equipped the structure for a 100-year service life, setting a new benchmark for seismic resilience to boot. For this feat of coordination, the San Diego International Airport Terminal 1 project team takes home the 2026 Ideas Award for Excellence in Constructability.
Using pre-assembled modular bridges and roof trusses contributed to speedy and seamless installation. Having structural designers and the steel fabricator team up at the beginning of the project are what ensures innovative constructability. With designers addressing difficult connections in advance and the fabricator using programs such as Tekla, it helps to avoid any possible issues for rework or additional work in the field.
The challenge in Briningsville, Pennsylvania was almost paradoxical, building a high-density, 3-story data center inside an existing building that couldn't support the new gravity and wind loads. The TierPoint Tek Park renovation team succeeded by threading a brand-new structural steel skeleton through and above the original roof. This building-within-a-building approach secured them the Ideas Award for Excellence in Adaptive Reuse.
Structural steel played a critical role in repurposing this industrial building while delivering much-needed data center power to the region. The project team developed a simple yet elegant solution to accommodate the data center needs, including the sensitive equipment and infrastructure. It included inserting a steel frame mezzanine structure within the building and a dunnage platform above the existing roof structure. The result serves as a model for data center developers looking to add capacity to dense urban environments.
A new University of Arizona Medical Center in Tucson showcases how steel, a material most often associated with durability and grit, can also uniquely evoke tranquility and lightness. With its use of exposed structural elements to create open, light-filled spaces, the Andrew Weil Center for Integrative Medicine was a standout choice for this year's Ideas Award for Excellence in Architecture.
What impressed me about the project was that it's all steel, all exposed, and incredibly elegantly designed and detailed. So it's not a project that hits you over the head with the architecture, because it's not just one building, it's a conversation between multiple buildings. You're using structural steel, it's exposed for a low-rise structure, but it's used in a way to deal with shading. And the shading isn't just, okay, we're just gonna figure out how to shade the building. It has its own expressive qualities.
At the University of San Francisco, the project team behind the new Malloy Pavilion needed to fit a world-class practice gymnasium into a cramped urban campus. The result is a striking, long-span steel roof that provides a vast, column-free interior for athletes, earning the project the 2026 Ideas Award for Excellence in Engineering.
Due to the unique constraints of the site, the feasibility of this project was dependent on creative engineering solutions. Supporting more than half the structure on 3 columns limited impacts to the existing parking structure below. Fine-tuning the lateral system by intentionally softening the east side of the building managed the torsional behavior of the structure, and the use of long-span perimeter trusses achieved the large open floor plans. All this delivered an elegant, floating gymnasium with minimal impacts to the surrounding structures.
This year, the jury also presented the inaugural Ideas Next Award, which recognizes innovative concepts that offer a glimpse into the future. The honor goes to the Great Barrington Cold Spray Demonstration Repair, a project that explores field-applied additive manufacturing to repair steel on site, a technology that could completely redefine building preservation and infrastructure maintenance.
Field deployment of cold spray additive manufacturing redefines steel preservation and restoration. This innovation not only provides a structurally efficient and sustainable alternative to conventional repairs, but has the potential to open doors to other game-changing applications for any localized member restoration, including lintel repair, rapid repairs in access-limited conditions, or on-site modification of small details. This innovation embodies the Ideas Next vision, bold, transformative, and beneficial to diverse structural steel applications.
We'd like to thank the 2026 Ideas jury for their time, their expertise, and their shared excitement for innovation. Congratulations to all of this year's winning project teams.